Hello, in this video I'm going to teach you how to use Konn3ct for your video meetings. The first thing you want to do is to go to your Play Store and search for Konn3ct. So this is Konn3ct by New Waves Ecosystem Limited. In this video I've already downloaded the Konn3ct, so I'm just going to open it. Now if you don't have an account on Konn3ct, all you need to do is to click on this sign up, and then you can sign up as an individual or sign up as a business. For me, I've already signed up, so I'm going to go back and click on login, and then I will log in with my email that I use to sign up and the password. I have now signed in. Now we have join a meeting, we have host a meeting, and we have Konn3ct Edu. Konn3ct Edu is a solution that we are building for schools. Now you can either join a meeting or host a meeting. To join a meeting, simply click on this button, join a meeting. Here you can impute the ID of the meeting. So for instance, if I click on Konn3ct, I can proceed, and then my details will be shown. So your email and your username. In case these things are not populated, all you need to do is to type in your email and then your name that you want to use to join the meeting, and you also see the name of the host here. Then you click on join meeting. So you'll see these rooms are not started because the room is not currently started. So I'm just going to dismiss it. But if the room is already in progress, you'll be able to join the meeting. Another way to join a meeting is to actually just click on the link that is sent to you by the host, and then when you click on the link, it's also going to take you to this same place where you have to put in your name and email. So it's going to skip this and then show you this. So where you impute your name and email, and then you join the meeting. Now that is about how to join a meeting. If you want to host a meeting, after signing into Konn3ct, click on host a meeting. So when you click on host a meeting, you will see this dashboard here. If you don't have any rooms here, all you need to do is to click on this plus button, and then you'll be able to impute the name of your room. Right. Or you can simply name it your name, whatever the name that you want to name it. Then you click on create. So let's assume that you already have a room. I'm just going to click on this Shola room, and then when I click on Shola room, it's going to start the meeting. Alright, now that you are in the meeting, you can unmute and mute yourself, using the red button. That is the icon that looks like that microphone. That is where you can mute and unmute yourself. And also, you can enable your camera, and it's fetching the camera by clicking on the camera icon, and you can see me here right now. Then you can as well just click on start sharing, and then your camera will start sharing. But for now, I don't want to share my video, so I'm just going to click on cancel. Yeah, another thing you can do on Konn3ct is to record your meeting. To record your meeting, just click on that button there, and then if you want to record, just click on yes. But for now, I don't want to record this meeting, so I'm just going to cancel it. For you to record on Konn3ct, you must be using the Pro version of Konn3ct. So to upgrade to the Pro version, just go to Konn3ct konn3ct.com, and then you can go and upgrade there. If you decide to leave the meeting at any time, just click on that red leave and then you can leave the meeting. Then if you want to raise up your hand, just click on that and you can raise up your hand. And if you also want to lower your hand, just click on it and your hand will be lowered. There are other things you can do with Konn3ct when you click on that arrow facing up. For example, you can share external video, you can manage presentations, and you can even start a poll or select random participant. You know, these are amazing features that you can use on Konn3ct. If you click on that 3-bar icon, you also see that there are other great features that you can use. For instance, you can send group chat, right? You can send chats into the group and other participants are going to see it by clicking on that group chat. And the next thing you can do is to use the Konn3ct doc, where you can work collaboratively with other participants. Then if you click on the manage users, you see that you can mute all participants, mute all participants except presenter, lock participant, waiting room settings, and then you can even take attendance or clear participant status. So you can also create breakout rooms there using that, you know, that feature. So these are the great and amazing things you can do with Konn3ct. If you have any question at any time about how to use Konn3ct, please drop it in the comments and I'll be willing to help you. Thank you so much for watching this video on how to use Konn3ct. Have a beautiful time over there. Bye.